everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is September 22nd, 2021, and Bitcoin is looking strong. We're looking like we are in the midst of a recovery. One of the toughest things to do when charting is pinpointing a bottom. It's tough because there's a lot of fake outs, right? And if you get it wrong and you place your bets there, if you're, leverage trading and you're in a long and it comes back on you, it sucks. It sucks because sometimes, then you're underwater. But if you're buying and holding, it's not the end of the world. It's always good to buy in fear. Buy when, fear and greed index is all the way down. Buy when morale is low. In the end, it's highly likely that that was a good buy. It's a low buy. You want to buy low, sell high, obviously, right? That's rule number 1, 2, and 3. All right. So in yesterday's episode, I said that I thought 40K was the bottom. Why? Just to recap very quickly, I looked at this on the daily and I saw a 5-wave Elliott wave impulse from July 21st up until our local high on September 6th. And once you get that 5-wave Elliott wave impulse, you get a correction. And this is what I saw, an ABC correction. And that correction looks complete. The C wave looks slightly longer than the A wave, right? You have your B wave, A, B, C, right? It's kind of like a zigzag right here. So it looks complete to me. Confirmation is what? Once you get a bullish engulfing, we're on the daily, by the way, not on a 5-minute or, 4-hour chart or anything like that. We're on the daily. Confirmation is when you get a bullish engulfing candle. What's that? It means that the green candle, the next green candle gets bigger than your last red candle, and you get a cross on the stochastic RSI. We're getting really close to a cross. Does everybody see that? You first and foremost, let me make this bigger. Let's see how I make this bigger. First and foremost, I want to draw everybody's attention to the stochastic RSI, which I use. I like to use stochastic RSI. I'm not a big RSI guy. I like to look at price action. I'm not looking at price action RSI. I think it's a bit redundant. Anyway, you see clear bullish deviation on the stochastic RSI. For those of you who don't know what that is, very quickly, bullish deviation is when you have a difference, a discrepancy in the what price action is showing. So here you have downwards moving price action, obviously. And here, if in the RSI and the stochastic RSI, you have upwards moving price action right there. I hope you can see that. See, this low is lower than that low, yet and on the price action, this low is lower than that low. We're on the daily time frame, so that is significant. This is not a 5-minute or 10-minute chart, whatever. This is significant. Also, we're testing the 144 daily exponential moving average right now as we speak. The bottom is in. Okay, I said 40K. What happened? Let's go into the 4-hourly time frame really quickly. Some of you may say, hey, Dean, you were wrong. It wasn't 40K. It was actually 39.5 or something like that. Will sue me. Okay, close enough. What happened? We went down to 40K right here, right? We wicked down, right? Wicked, meaning there's a lot of buying pressure there. There's a big buying block there. Then we came back up. What did we do? What does price like to do with wicks? This is liquidity that hasn't been captured yet. So we came back up and then came back down to capture liquidity. Basically, everybody that didn't have a chance to buy over here got a chance to buy, right? So we got basically some more sort of opportunities. When price action goes too quickly, it comes back, it captures that liquidity in that wick, and then the final wick we had was 39.3. So $700 off. All right. But 40,000 thereabouts was the bottom, I believe. right here on the 4-hourly time frame, what are we printing? We're printing an inverse head and shoulders, and we seem like we're breaking out of it. All right, let's go into the hourly time frame to see this with a little more detail. Breakout is happening now, actually. So great time if you're trading breakouts. Great time to put in a long, right? So we're on the hourly time frame. You see actually you could say an inverse head and shoulders. You could say a W pattern. Anyway, the neckline's right where I'm drawing it out. The target for this, the technical target, is the distance from, let's see, from the top, from the neckline to the bottom of the move, superimposed to the point of breakout. Expect Bitcoin to hit at least 45.9, okay? If we hit 45.9, what does that mean? Let's go back on the daily time frame or 4-hourly time frame, okay? If we hit 49.5, does that break our downtrend? Maybe, maybe not. All right, maybe, maybe not. Because how do you define a downtrend? Lower highs, lower lows. We've been making lower lows, right? Here's a low, here's a lower low, and lower highs. High, high, high. However, if we break this, let's see. Yeah, I think you would draw it like this, right? You're getting close. You're getting close, but it's not yet a breaking of trend. So it's possible we get rejected once we get up here, and we continue to make a trend lower. However, if we play out this bullish divergence on the daily time frame, it's unlikely. If this plays out and this crosses, it's likely that we have our reversal and it's official, okay? So that's basically what I'm seeing. I still believe that 40K was the bottom, and if you're afraid and you don't want to trade this because you don't know if that really was the bottom or not, and you think it's, somewhere between 37 or 38, or maybe you think it's 20K or something like that, put in a stop loss, right? There's no harm in taking a trade if you see that the chart is saying it's going to go up, and then putting your stop loss above your entry, right? And so you're always going to be stopped out either in profit or at break even. So that's just a risk mitigation strategy. So that's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin right now. If we look at the charts, we look at the market on the whole, I mean, it's just green on green on green. Like, look at this, 10% for XRP, 13% for Solana. Like, things are running, and things are recovering in such a way that it would, you would believe that, yes, a recovery was really in the works. You see bullish crosses on the stochastic RSI on the daily for Solana, for instance, and a bullish engulfing candle. So that, for instance, is a great sign for recovery. So that's it. That's Bitcoin. That's the market. I hope that was useful. Geez, FTM up 21% right now. Bullish engulfing candle. It just retook the daily exponential, or the 21 exponential moving average. This is a recovery, and sometimes the alts are going to front run this recovery. Polkadot, bullish engulfing candle on the daily, about to get a bullish cross on the stochastic RSI. It's looking good. It's looking good, people, for a recovery. So that's Bitcoin. That's the market. I hope that was helpful. I hope that was useful. If it was, please smash the like, subscribe. If you aren't subscribed, share the video, and I'll see you next week.